AirPods Pro 3 are equipped with Find My capabilities, but sometimes they fail to appear in the app, showing as offline or not at all. This often stems from connectivity issues, software bugs, or hardware problems. The Find My network uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, to connect to nearby Apple devices and report your AirPods location anonymously. The charging case uses a U1 chip for ultra-wideband, or UWB, precision finding, enabling precise location tracking within a few meters. For AirPods to be visible in Find My, the case needs to be nearby, charged, and properly paired with your iCloud account. An offline status indicates a lack of network signal, often caused by low battery, excessive distance, Bluetooth interference, iCloud account mismatches, or outdated firmware. Make sure the case's lid opens and closes fully, as this is needed for Bluetooth broadcasting. First, reset your AirPods by placing them in the case. Then, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and forget the device. Finally, repair them to restore connectivity. Ensure your iOS is updated to the latest stable version, currently 18.3. Check for updates in settings and install if available. Make sure iCloud Find My is enabled in your settings. This allows your AirPods to register with the network. Clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and the case to ensure proper connectivity. Use a soft cloth to remove any dirt. Enable location services on your iPhone, as airplane mode or travel mode can affect Bluetooth signals. Check for firmware updates for your AirPods via your iPhone settings. Updates like version 7b15 improve Bluetooth stability. If the issue persists, contact Apple support for warranty replacement, especially if hardware like the case lid sensor is faulty.